Hello, and welcome to a special Ideas with Diana on this April 15th, 2025. Um, in regards to the UK Supreme Court decision defining sex by birth, I have concerns as I was watching an interview on Sky News. I could see that the commentator was very concerned about this decision, and also when she interviewed an MP of the Scottish Parliament in Dundee about this, I could see the person being interviewed was concerned as to how this is going to go. According to the interview, this decision is supposed to only affect the Gender Equality Act of 2010 that exists in the UK. After the interview, I went to internet to look to find out exactly what a summary of the Gender Equality Act, and part of it includes non-discrimination in the workplace of individuals who have gender reassignment, whether by surgery or by hormones. Well, with the current decision in the UK, it begs the question: with individuals who do have gender reassignment that are working in the UK, Scotland, and Wales, based on this decision, will they have protection in the workplace? And that though, and the question, and from what I saw at the interview with the MP of the Scottish Parliament, um, I don't think that is. I don't think. I think that's very muddy. Things haven't been clarified, and from the interview, I felt that basically there still was a lot of gray area and wiggle room, um, and just basically, I'm a little concerned about this because basically equality is an issue for everybody, regardless of whether you're transgender or not. Especially in the workplace, especially if someone's in homeless shelters, especially if someone's in the hospital, especially if someone's in other places. So I have concerns about the UK Supreme Court decision today, and I'm glad the commentator at Sky News did ask important questions. But I could see basically, even after the interview, she was shook by the person's response about how this happened. And although the word clarity was mentioned a few times during the interview from the person being questioned, um, I still concerns whether things have really whether clarity really exists or whether it's been unclear, or whether clarity exists in the wrong vein as to that does this mean denying protections in the workplace against trans people or people who had gender reassignment and other things, and as well as even domestic abuse and other matters. Well, let me know what you think. Best way to reach me is on YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and X. And I think this is an important issue. I'll comment on other issues in the future.